Hi and welcome. I'm Kevin Cray, Technical Product Development Director here at CYP Europe. Today we are looking at CYP's AV over IP controllers and providing a detailed explanation of the Monitor and Control tab within its WebGUI. So let's get started. This section provides easy to use drag and drop control over all basic routing functionality of the transmitters and receivers that have been detected by the system. In the video section, transmitters and receiver signals are seen as video frame grabs from the presently connected sources. In most other tabs, transmitters are represented by a source icon and receivers are represented by a display icon. For the USB tab, the host has a computer icon and devices use a USB cable icon. In most use cases, the Monitor and Control tab is available to any user without logging into the system to ensure any user can control the system. In order to make changes to the system's configuration, you will need to be logged in at an administrator level. This prevents any standard users from making any configuration changes. Each of these sections controls the routing of a different type of stream. The available streams do depend on the exact AV over IP system you are using, but all share common elements like video routing, video wall, digital and analog audio, USB routing, and macro activation. In addition to these, in the SDVoE system we are looking at here, you also have multi-view routing. As well as the live screen grabs, various icons are used within the video tab as status indicators. As can be seen here, each icon is shown in a particular circumstance to help ensure any user or administrator knows the status of all the components within the system. With the system as default, audio and IR streams will follow any main changes to the video stream. So making changes to this stream causes the audio and the IR streams to switch with it. In a lot of cases this is exactly how you want the system to work, so nothing needs to be changed. But you can de-link these original streams if required. You can, of course, directly make any changes you need for any audio or IR stream by simply going to the relevant tab and making these changes directly. In addition to the standard audio, video and IR streams, all IP systems also deliver USB and RS-232 streams. These, like all others, can be changed simply by using the drag and drop system. All of the functionality of these AV over IP controllers can be actioned by directly sending commands to the controller hardware via any third-party system. Command listings and APR sets are available as required. In certain situations, it may become necessary to stop all or one of the video streams coming from a source. To do this, first select the type of stream to stop by clicking on the cycle icon at the bottom of the window until the preferred option is displayed. The All Stop option stops all stream types from the selected source. The Native Stop option stops only the full resolution primary stream. The Multi-View Stop option only stops the secondary video stream used by multi-view layouts. For 1 gig AV over IP systems, only one stop type is required. Next, drag and drop the source down to the chosen stop button. The chosen stream type will be immediately terminated. To stop a stream type from all video streams simultaneously, simply drag the All button down to the chosen Stop button. All streams do have an individual stop function that can be used as required. Now, let's take a look at the non-stream based areas within the Monitor and Control section. First, let's travel to the Video Wall tab. Here we can see all the pre-configured video arrangements Watch out for a more detailed look at how these are configured later in this series of videos. These video walls are displayed as groups, each group being one video wall arrangement, and any video wall can have multiple arrangements, allowing for larger video wall systems to be broken into smaller sections as required. Once again, all you need to do here is drag and drop your video wall onto the desired transmitter, and the system will do the rest. Next is macro. All programmed macros will be listed in this section. To activate a macro, simply click on its button. The button will remain blue until the macro has completed executing. Finally, let's take a look at the SDVoE only multi-view section. Within this multi-view tab, we can see all the created multi-view presets and all the available receivers. Simply drag and drop the correct multi-view preset to the desired receiver. Once this is done, the section on the right will propagate a detailed view of the multi-view arrangement, visually helping the user to ensure they have selected the correct arrangement. So there you have it, our brief run through today of the monitor and control section of CYP's AV over IP hardware controllers. Thanks very much for joining us, and we'll see you again soon.